Shoshokazi, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna sireact album entsha kaMduduzi. Isanda kuphuma nje namaviki amahlanu iphumile and uMduduzi beasayine under Inkabi Record. So khona ama breaking news ade ephumile ukuthi nawakaseyona iphathi e-record label but asikho lapho bengifuna nje ukureview album because biphume ngoJanuary bengalithola ithuba ngilalele. So ngizo highlight ingoma ezimbalwa ke engizwile engithandile and I think album yakhe solid. Just that I feel like ngathi marketing mhlawumbe abazange beyiphushe kahle noma beyipromote kahle, even ama interviews nama radio tours angwaziwanga mhlawumbe mina engwamisile but i-album yona masuyilalela solid and I think i-production yakhona ihlangane kakhulu. So i-album iproducer uXolwa under Inkabi Record ke naye, so nje I think ingoma zonke isiproducer yena. So ngizodumula lezi ezimbalo engizizwile, ngizoqala ngengoma kuyiyona I think izoba big kakhulu because if ama-artist awuthiwa seNkabi Record, I think ibona abantu abalandela ulwa beno Big Zulu when it's come to ama numbers. So Siyantuli mesiba naye kuMduduzi, so leyo ngoma leyibiza ngembuzo. So I think ijule kakhulu abantu abaningi nje abakulesimo somgo. I think izobathinta mhlawumbe ngagcina sekuphumana nenyembezi yona njengoma engizwile leyo ukuthi I think nami yangithinta. Khona enye ingoma akayenze nalomjida lo weBlack Diamond uNdu Browns i-location naye enye ingoma naye I think izoba nohlonze, izohlala mhlawumbe enhlizweni eningi kakhulu because naye ikhuluma nje ngomjolo. I-majority engoma eningi la sikhuluma ngomjolo but lana is deep because I think ikhuluma nendaba zo long distance. Abona abantu abajoyina nabantu abakumaKapa nakumaGoli asazi bamisa kanjani but leyo ngoma le uyibhalele bona ke laphana i-verse lika Ndu lifike latlinga lendlela and ngithandile indlela abafeaturishe ngayo because ufeaturishe Black Diamond kule album u2 but ubahlukanisile engomeni. Enye ingoma inondu enye inodanya, so ubahlukanisile kunengoma ezu2 e1 i-location le i-location inondu Browns, then there's also another song akayenzile leyo inodanya ke leyo and nayo futhi ingoma outstanding yona ke because i-album moyilalela i-afro soul but le ngoma inodanya ilike i-afro pop ithe uba ne-vibe nyana but ke enye ingoma engithandile le enondu Browns. I think na outstanding album but isikhona ezinye ingoma typical lezo mawuthi ujolo ukulalela uMduduzi like ingoma lezi ejulile eziba nama numbers. Khona ingoma ebizwa amanxiba lapha abantu asebebuye emjolweni lapha abagilekile inhliziyo ezibovu bazoyizwa lapha emjunju yakhona lapha. I think lo ngoba babhalelwe bona izohlala enhlizweni yabo. Nami ngithe mangizwa inesiqi ine-message imnandi kakhulu. Khona enye ke ethanda uba special nyana kulabantu abamagoist na uthi ngenza ngikhumbula. I think izolenda kakhulu kubantu abahosisi lapha ukuthi no mhlawumbe mawuthi afika emjolweni usafika ufila ngathi umkhumbuza la kasuka khona mhlawumbe umuntu kade esemjolweni okade une-abuse nawe soqalile wenza izinto mhlawumbe ama-verbal abuse. Ingoma ikhuluma ngezinto ezikanjalo ukuthi no ngenza ngikhumbule la ngisuka khona, so awazama ukushintsha indlela yakho. So I think enye ingoma enohlonze abantu abaningi kumele beqaphele nayo. So i-album inengoma ezu14 ngiyangikwazi ukuthi ngiyi-highlight zonke but i-featuring ingoma ezu2 ezakhishwe before ikhona le DX yami. So leyo ngoma ke livele yaphume, I think yaphume unyaka ondlule, so inama numbers already ku Spotify na ku YouTube Music. Isi-achieve into yayo but bayi-include na album ke la because ko YouTube I think inama views angaphezulu kwa 20 million, so kade yaba khona ke le. So enye ingoma nayo le ethi sivile siyachievile but izohlanganiswa ne-album la. So i-album mhlawumbe ngezosekuthiwa i-album ye-platinum because of ingoma ezinama achievement afana naleyo. Abanye abantu abayithandile lonto ukuthi bakhipha i-album entsha mesoba nengoma endala ifeaturisha but mina I think kuyinto enhle ukuthi ingoma athi iphume izisingile masekuphuma i-album ayibe khona la ihlanganiso lapha, so that ingoma zingezukulahleka masesithi le album kaSiyantuli after 20 years sekhona isingile esingasayazi ukuthi ibelonga kiphi i-album. So mina ngayithandi ingoma mayizoba ne-album but I think ikhona ingoma engikhohlwayo imizwa laphana. Enye ingoma nayo ejulile ke ikhuluma ngento okuyona etypical kule ntsha yamanje ukuthi abantu bayajola alokhu uthando just kujolela imizwa lapho. So ingoma ikhuluma ngalento kanje ukuthi kuyenzeka mhlawumbe uthi ube nomuntu kanjalo kanti umuntu mhlawumbe into yamanje like ama-feelings akulona uthando lolu. So abanye abantu bayiconfuse lento uthando nemizwa ke. So leyo ngoma ke izama ucacisela abantu abanaleyo nkinga ukuhlukanisa lezo zinto. Then bese uba khona ingoma ekuyiyona le album ibizwa ngaphi because album ibizwa ngebuyele ekhaya. I-melodic, i-jazz, i-relaxile leyo ngoma. I think abantu abaningi laba abathe ukuba mature bazo-enjoy because yona ekutshela ukuthi i-style se-album nanokuthi album kaMduduzi uselaphi because ingoma zakhe eningi vele zijulile but I think ithanda ukuba jazz nyani album yakhe i-relax engayiphefuma kuma-jazz festival endaweni ezikanjalo lo mcimbi leyo. So i-level asekuyona I think mhlampe usayidinga imovie kusuke Inkabi Record so that izokwazi ukuthi mhlambe be-expose kulezi izinto because Inkabi Record inama-artist afana no-Big Zulu abantu aba-attend ama-festival ama-club lama-show la so maybe imovie yakhe kusuka laphana mhlampe izomconnecta otherwise maybe i-bad movie because usebekhona kwiNkabi Record isikhathi eside-ke but-ke sobona amakhambi isikhathi-ke but mina personally nje mangathiwa ngisho umbono wami I think ukushiya kwiNkabi Record for uMduduza I think i-wrong move because beseduze kwa-Big Zulu isikhathi eside and ama-numbers amaningi akawagenile wagene through Big Zulu so mehlukana naye izoba khona leyo division kuma-fans akhe mhlawumbe abange besamlandela nabanye abantu angesakwazi ukuthi ethole ama-booking bona because bebookwa through Inkabi Record mhlawumbe makuthiwa kubhookwa u-Big Zulu Festival mhlawumbe ko-Mpumalanga ko-KZN ko-Eastern Cape kusuke kufuneka u-Big Zulu but u-Big Zulu because une-package ukuthi okay Inkabi Record sinawo sinawo uMduduzi sinabo Siyantulu so mhlawumbe nawo bebhookeka kanjalo kwamanye ama-gig and I think ube ne-income stable because une-record label ekade stable so mase omele enza into yakhe esayidini kuzothanda ukuba challenging but-ke mhlawumbe usekhule ngokwanele uyafila ukuthi amaphiko asekhona ukuthi engakwazi ukumela so sometimes kumele ukuthi indoda iphinde ihambe iyomela mazimnetha zimkhalele khona ezule yena umuntu so hopefully uzofika esurvive emaseyedwa but I think album yakhe solid kakhulu just that marketing yakhona no ayilendanga ibiphuka ngale ndlela but kuse album eno 5 weeks mhlambe yena engakwazi ukuphusha emaseyedwa isayidini mhlambe another reason ukuthi album bengayipushi because mhlambe bese ekhona ama talks vele ukuthi album yakhe ukuthi after yona uyaphuma Inkabi Record so letho abengampushanga because bese bazi vele ukuthi uyabakoleta mekakhipha album uyahamba because ngiyakhumbula there was a time uNtaba seDubai i-Ambitious ba-release album ngalo dihamba ngayo and akazange promote not even ngepost ya ku Facebook because wayevele se-out of contract so naye uMduduzi hopefully uzoyiphusha album ase outside because album yakhe solid kakhulu nje mina as speaker I think ngayi-rate nginezela ka 8 out of 10 and iyafana album yakhe ayikhipha before i-strong nje ingoma eziningi ayinawo ama-features amaningi leyo yonke enginotisile ngayo ama-features ambala I think abantu abakhona uSiyantulu labafana be-Black Diamond ibona abantu engibazwile so ingoma nje eningi uye uXolo ikhona ingoma afisa show ngayo but uXolo already behind the production ye-album yonke ingoma zonke esiproduce uXolo and standards sakhe esinzima kakhulu I think omunye umuntu mase kubala umlando wasemzansi abantu base producer sekusaba nabo I think igama laXolo akumele lisale because i-album akasinikeza wona benolwale anemizwa I think yona nje yamthatha mbeke la level yoZahara noNathi like ama-bass Afro-pop album Afro-soul I think igama lakhe lavela so nalana-ke umsebenzi wakho phezulu kakhulu so nje uMduduzi i-album yakhe ngiyizwile ngiyivuma I'm just not happy about i-movie yakhe kwiNkabi Record but mhlawumbe umjito unama-plans-ke ngesazi anyway sekhona ku-Twitter ethi speaker nawe sikhona ku-TikTok sispeaker nawe show sibe khona naku-Twitch sispeaker nawe naku-Facebook sikhona sispeaker nawe ndisekhona ku-Facebook ku-YouTube abantu bangasubscribe ku-speaker nawe we out.